Time to celebrate some Wednesday birthdays, and we're going to start up in Carl Junction with Blake Tatum, who's turning the big 5 today. Happy birthday, Blake.
And Easton Lofts in Arma, Kansas, celebrating birthday number 11 this year. Happy birthday, Easton.
Also celebrating number 11 is Lily Carlskint in Pittsburgh. A very happy birthday to you.
Layton High School, turning 13 years old this year in Stockton, Missouri.
And we've got Megan Westoff celebrating number 26 in Parsons. Happy birthday, Megan.
Jared Watson celebrating birthday number 26 as well, and Jared is in Weir, Kansas.
And then this guy has known me since I was just a baby. He's one of my brother's friends, so he's come around the house more than once when I was a kid. This is Doug Hodges celebrating birthday number 51. And the terrifying thing is my brother and his friend's age, it reminds me that I'm getting older as well. So I can't give him a hard time. Happy birthday, Doug.
Happy birthday, Doug. And happy birthday to Don Braden, celebrating birthday number 75 this year. Don is in Fredonia, Kansas.
And we've got Judy Troike celebrating number 80 in Girard. It says happy birthday from all of us at the Lakeview Cafe. Looks like she's setting out for a good time for a birthday.
All right, love that ride there. And Susan Phelps in Pittsburgh, happy birthday to you, with love from Sarah and Justin and your favorite boys, Cole, Jeremiah, Bryce, and Zaid.
And we've got Brad and Carrie LaRue celebrating their 37th year of wedded bliss in Chanute. A very happy anniversary to you, Brad and Carrie. And we want to make sure that we can continue to celebrate with you, and you can continue to celebrate with us. Tanya, how do they do that?
All they have to do is send us an email with their birthday pics and all the details, include the name and the date, of course. We definitely need that. And the age, if you'd like to share that, to birthdays@KOAMnewsnow.com.
Sounds pretty simple. And something else that's really easy is signing up for the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website to do it. You get great deals from local businesses. Additionally, you get a nice birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com today and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club.